Good afternoon, everyone, and the honorable juries of this contest. First of all, let's thank God for giving us health and the change to gather here today. My name is Andromeda Aulela Amidava, and my speech title is Preserving Cultural Heritage Through Language. Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk about something that is very close to our identity, our language. Language is not just verbal talk, it's the soul of a nation. Through language, we express our thoughts, our culture, and our history. Imagine a world without our local language. Imagine if one day everyone spoke the same foreign language and forgot their mother tongue. Wouldn't that be sad? Because when a language disappears, a part of our culture disappears too. Our language is a gift from our ancestors. It tells us who we are and where we come from. That's why it's our duty as the young generation to protect and preserve it. But how can we do that? It's simple. First, use our language properly in daily life. Don't be shy to speak your local or national language, even when others use foreign ones. Second, learn and teach our language. Teach it to our younger siblings or friends who don't know it well. Third, use technology wisely. Create content, stories, or videos in our language. That it lives in the digital world too. Preserving our language doesn't mean we reject other language. Learning English or any other language is important. But remember, we should never forget our own language. Because many language is great, but loving our own language is pride. So, my friends, let's promise to keep our own language alive by using it, loving it, and passing it on to the next generation. Our language is our identity. If we lose it, we lose a part of ourselves. Thank you for listening my speech today. Let's be proud of our culture and our language. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.
See you next time. Let's go to number 62.